pinag-uusapan ng laban na to.
Offensive possessions ng parehong koponan, wala nangyari.
Amer, umatras, tumira, pasok. Baser Amer with a first basket. So hindi na pwedeng maulit yung high number of turnovers para sa Red Lions as Yusei Koga ng Batak, pinasa kay Cruz. A lot of time to shoot. The headback connects from downtown. Friday, makakatapat nila ang Letran. Samantala, De La Cruz, naago ang bola. Pinasa kay Amer. And Baser Amer delivers on the fast break.
And maganda yung ginawang trail job ni Baser Amer doon. Nakita niya one-on-one dito sa quickness ng Letran. You have Takwa inside. You have up against the quickness of Letran.
We spoke to Coach Jamaica rin before the game. Ang sabi niya, he wants an up-tempo game. As Cruz showing us what up-tempo is all about, generating a turnover and scoring.
Basketball. So, it's just a nice gesture from the NCAA.
Kapag sila ibaba ang bola, that's another turnover. Racal recovers the loose ball, pinasa sa loob. It's the Stingray getting his first field goal of the afternoon.
Simula na nga ba yun ng produksyon para dito kay Ray ng Batak?
Fouls in the first quarter, but Coach Jamaica rin opted to keep him on the floor nung nangyari yun. And he's doing the same thing here as JV Monpon scores off of a cut. Back championship team ng Letran from 1998 at 1999. And habang kausap ni Siege si Monpon, nakadalawang press si Ray ng Batak at eto. Pero nakarecover just in time. Tonko to Amer, who fires for three. Baser Amer, the hammer!
Tingnan mo, 10 lang itong hinahabol nila with a lot of playing time, game time remaining. At hindi lang 10, 8 na lang itong hinahabol ng Letran.
Letran hoping to end that streak today. Ng Batak, ninabas ang bola. Apreco with a shot and the basket. It's still a little over 3 minutes to go. Adeogun gets his own miss and Ola Adeogun. We said it, whoever wins this game will book